was going to show something from the cable, from the news, and let's see if we can find out where the news were. First we need to figure that out, I guess. I think we had some news here. Let me check. Okay. Right, so there was something I wanted to show from third. We get some CPI numbers, and it looks like they come here. Has to be this thing. After the CPI numbers, everything just looks clean, right? So we had this downward move. Let's go here, let's go here, let's go here, and let's go like this. Okay. And this looks like that's the number, right? So we fall down, price moves up, and it looks pretty bad, right? I was looking at this. I was looking at it on 1 minute, I think. Yeah. Let's see, let's go there. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's this where I had the picture, right? So we got the numbers, price drop, not much to do about it. I don't have a chance to react. I was busy at this time. I didn't know what's going on. But like, look at here and here, between here, price is just, what is price doing? Not much, right? Not much. I mean, some double top, yeah, moving down from here, moving down, maybe moving up. No, actually we changed the power down from here. Yeah, I'm not one to put on a trade before news, right? But after number comes out, boom, we reach this level here. We come back up higher, and we then go down and small intra, boom, boom, down here, and we defeat this. And after this point, it just starts flowing so nice. Up and down. No gap, right? New higher level. Let's go. Okay. So here, new higher level. We fall down. Notice the small gap. We have this here. Let's just make this. Let's just go with green box. So we got this level, right? And inside of green box, we only need price action power up to enter, right? Double inside bar with that engulfing. Let's go with the stop here, right? Look at this. I'm just gonna do it. And what are we targeting? If we're targeting next level, well, we're targeting maybe this trend line. Maybe we're targeting here, this, right? Maybe this level, who knows, right? At least, well, let's just go here. So that's one. Make it narrow. We go up, we go even higher, we fall down. So this has been used. So from here to here, this is too high to enter, but I mean, come on, another chance, right? And then we have these double levels. We go even higher with small gap. Okay. Price It's going even higher here and here. There you go. Inside green box we need power up to be shown, and I mean, so if we're standing on this and this is the level, this is the gap, so we have inside bar, but look at this, breaking and then boom boom, rejecting the low and enter there because pin, right? So same target, whatever, these highs, maybe double, cool. Yeah, we smash it, we go down, we don't really go higher, not really, we do go higher and then we fall down, but look, and this is what I mean with it, it was so clean. This is the level of the gap, actually here and then here and here. So this is the gap level. There's no price action inside of this, and there's something here, right? Sure. And okay, I will do it, I will show it just for the sake, right? And so there's a trade here, we go higher and it fails, whatever, right? So it fails and we go down. So we got two winners, right? We got this winner for almost 3, we got this winner for 1.7, and we got this fail for -1. Or if you measure points, whatever, there's a lot more points. And so we fall down, look at this now, we fall down, we switch to the other side here, and even if you didn't see it, okay, small gap here, it's very almost impossible to see it, but yeah, we go higher, down, we go even higher, and another reason to enter here, small gap here, okay, reason to enter higher, boom, have a gap here, and we have some reason to enter here, boom, next level higher, right here, and it just keeps on going. And then this is the end of double session. And I was looking at this after not trading yet, I was going, man, there was quite some action possible to see. I think maybe if the 2 minute was even, I think the 2 minute was even easier to see. And yeah, let's go. I entered also on the other machine. I should have checked the other machine, but I entered short here from the yen because the reason was, well, so this is from Friday, right? So some news, yeah, we all know, right? And look, we go up and we go up, intra-action we go up, right? And we go down, that's not enough, but maybe we switched, right? Okay, so we go up and yet again intra switch from here. We don't really, do we close higher? Maybe, but at a certain point, intra level here, we close here through, and then it just falls, boom. And I was short from this region, yeah, at 5, yeah, I was short here because, well, I saw this move up, down, we fail, we are outside of the recent Asia, this is London high, and now we are rejecting, and we got power from US here after news. Okay, so we're gonna fade it maybe, I thought, right? And I shorted here, and it was something like this, targeting this thing, and it's on MT5. I got a dynamic trail on it. I'm not sure what happened later. I just put it on, and yeah, I think I trailed it from this level, so it's probably closed now. I need to check it, but whatever. And yeah, 5.8R, I put that on, yeah, no problem. That was one. Also, I also did similar thing in EU from the, let's go from the 1 hour, let's go here, some levels I've drawn before, right? Similar we have Wednesday, you see we got this highs, we close lower, boom, we go back into them, and I wanted well, I want something to happen here, but here on Friday, somewhere here, I put the long on. Let's go on M5 to see if I can figure it out, but I don't have the other machine. I could start it and look, but whatever. Yeah, so here's Asia, right, and we got London, yeah, okay. Right, so the idea is Asia right here, we got this high, we got this high here, we go even higher. Actually, I think I shorted that as well, which is strange, but hey, yeah. Yeah, currently I have 2 positions on. Maybe it wasn't the euro. I need to check that. Maybe I was the pound actually. But because it looks like, yeah, we go even higher here, and we got some interaction now, strength to the downside, a small gap here, and maybe shorting from here and targeting this. Let's go and check on cable. Maybe it was cable actually. Yeah, outside the long. Yeah, like I said, you see, here is Asia, this small box here, and this is London, right? And London is now below Asia, and so we have here, we got this small strength here in this area. We go down further, we do this down, up, and down, right? We switched power here. Not easy to see, but we switched it, right? And we have a nice pin here with the entry here. So I entered at 5, and that, yeah, you see, that's 5. So probably long it here, stops below, and I'm targeting double, targeting next other side, and I'm trailing it at, I think here. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, that's it aligns actually from what I've seen, because one of my trades ran much more far away, and yeah, that's these trades I put on. I was quite busy during Friday. Not much time, but I also did trade some DAX, and let's see if I can figure out and show you what I did trade on the DAX here, and let's go on M5, and let's go on here. Let's just make it look nice. Right, so I think, yeah, where do we open? Friday. From the afternoon at US Open, that's what I start, and from here, and let's go on M1 because that's what I have on. I was trading this through cell phone, and on M1 with the 15 as base with the levels, and well, here on TradingView we see that we have some nice strong gap here from 4 hour. That I can't see that on my MT5 on my Android. That's impossible, but no matter. We got here, where's this open? Boom, this candle is open, and yeah, so we open, we come back, and I just go, yeah, I want this, boom, and I get it, and I'm targeting something over there. I don't remember. Yeah, double highs. I'm targeting that initially, double levels, right? And then I go, price comes up, switches down, and I close this manually, right? I close this for 20 or something. Actually, I can check my platform. Let me check the phone. Check the phone. Can I find it? Let's see. History. Week. It's wow. So this week, plus 340. That's points across many different instruments, but like, yeah, yeah, 23, 12, 23, 7, 9. Yeah, I bought it here as well. Yes, I bought it here, and then I also bought it at 75, which was there lines. Yeah, so I bought it here once, I got out of that, and I bought it here again, and most likely I closed it here for double top for trailing it up. Yeah, that's what I see. So that one was for 25 points, and the other one, yeah, from 79 to 25 along. 79 from here to 25 up to here. Yeah, okay, so yeah, those 2 larger positions in the DAX, like I feel like roughly 50 points. But anyway, so I bought it here because down, down, up, switch, and another level here. I know this is very difficult to see, but for some reason I like doing this, and so I'm just telling. This is my ideas, what I did, right? This is my plan, right? But when we come here, boom, 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 we switch. I trailed from this double level. I trailed this stop. Now stop is initially 17.5, right? And after this, if we go in, let's go bigger. Can we go bigger? Yeah. So after this gap, this double move, right? First I thought, when I was looking at this white bar, I thought, you know, this is not double top. This is another step, so I shouldn't trail to here. But then I thought, you know what? It's quite close. I got two positions on, or if I closed it before, I don't remember. But so trailing this to here, manually closing both of them, nets me quite a nice bunch of points. And I treated this as a double level, and I moved the stop to here, and I've manually closed it here, I think, which was a good idea looking at it. And later, as you see, we had this strong, we go down, we get this level, so now this is strong move with the gap here, right? And we got the short ideas here, and this would have failed because here, or maybe it depends on where my stop would be, but yeah, maybe it would fail, who knows. Yeah, anyway, yeah, that was the DAX, and the DAX was so nice, man, so fast. I was amazed, really. I could pull off some points with I mean, look at this, it's not clean, there's gaps everywhere. But yeah, I'm just looking at the log, and that's what I did. And yeah, so recently I've been, let me just check his, yeah, okay. So recently I've been thinking, like, you know, the system, like, let's just go on like this system. I put on trades waiting for the edge of markets, right? And then waiting for reversal at the edge. That's good. It leaves more free time, and it's nice, you know. I mean, like, so for example, here market's going up. If I expect market to keep picking up, I mean, I would want to go long up here, right? So here's Asia, and you know, and we come here again, and maybe I want to try to get long again, right, to target this. That system is good because I just put on notifications and I relax and I wait. And sometimes this latest week I had 2 days with at least 3 trades that netted me 0 with this method. The week before, man, it was so many R. So I guess it's a bit over the place, all over the place, right? And it costs very little time to trade like that, collecting a position in this area, right? Again, so sometimes it can be worth 0, but you don't put much time into it. But then again, if I go to the open and if I trade in the M1, quite often I can scalp some points, and I mean, it adds up. It does add up quite a bit. We open here, as you might expect. This is the US open, so that's not. But let's look at this is FTSE, right? At 9. So if you look at the price, this is pre-market, and here we got quite some larger candles. This is the open, and if you see this, we try to go down again, we try to go higher, so it tries to go higher and it confirms. Not only that, we try to go lower, the pins below, rejecting low, closing higher. That's what you want to see, right? And if you go long after this, if you want to go long, there's not much to go long off here. There's not much power, but the power is in the block. On another time frame, maybe it's visible, but not here, right? But I'm just gonna, we had strength from here, we had strength from here to low, we had strength from here to low, and from there, and this is the low, right? And so it should go up. And I mean, is this close enough for you, right? It's quite flat. And then if this is the high that we ultimately get during this session from here, when we close below, we should go lower, right? And so, yeah, we close and we switch here, and then we have this building strength down, right, to this level, and then we have this, right, building strength lower, and then we only have like this, which is not enough R really, but yeah, and then, yeah, EU morning often quite slow, but it's there, it's similar, and this is just, I know it's FTSE, but this is just, it's more apparent during US. Okay, at this point I'm rambling. Yeah, not really sure which of these systems is the most optimal, but we'll find out, I guess. Yeah, let's see if I can make this